What if I tell you patients have money for a lot of things but dentistry? A lot of patients don't have basic money for doing their root canals, but they have that amount of money for going and watching a movie in a PVR cinema, that amount of money for shopping. But when it comes to health, especially oral health, patient tends to decline their mindset. ये बहुत ज़्यादा कॉमन है स्पेशली स्मॉल टाउन्स में. सो बेसिकली लोगों की थिंकिंग ऐसी रहती है जब तक दांतों में दर्द नहीं होगा तब तक हम डेंटिस्ट के पास नहीं जाएंगे. बट वॉट इफ आई टेल यू दैट दांतों में दर्द होना इज अ रेड फ्लैग. नाउ यू कैन नॉट सेव योर टीथ. रूट कैनाल इज मच मच नीडेड. अगर आपके दांतों में दर्द नहीं है और अगर कोई ब्लैक स्पॉट दिख रहा है सो वो बेसिकली सिर्फ एक कैविटी है जो मे बी फिलिंग से ठीक हो जाए और उसमें रूट कैनाल की ज़रूरत ना पड़े. बट इफ़ यू आर वेटिंग फॉर दैट मोमेंट कि पेन होगा तब जाएंगे, देन यू आर नो वेयर टू गो. Apart from this, people want medicines to cure their dental pain. Now, I need to tell you this that teeth pain is not something that can be cured with medicine. Okay, that could be subsided for a while, for say 1 or 2 days with the medicines or with antibiotics which you take. But the root cause of that is not gone until and unless you undergo the treatment. So basically, if you want to save your teeth, which is as important as any other organ of your body, you need to take care of small signals given by your body. Don't wait for the pain to arise. Visit your dentist and get every small details treated.